All right, we're gonna go for a little hot lap here in a really cool car, 1966 Pontiac GTO. It's a great car. Actually, we had this car about 4 or 5 years ago. Just got it back, and it was well cared for the whole time. He actually redid the motor, so it's a 389, and he put a he had the same motor stroked out to a 421, and it's dyno to 380 horsepower. So stock they were 360 horsepower. So it's got a little bit more juice. But it's got disc brakes, power steering, factory Munci 4-speed. He also has that Dakota Analog gauges in here, which are great. You can see them at night. It's got a tachometer, full round of gauges. Everything's working the way it should. Yeah, pretty sweet ride, man. It runs good. It's got 355 Posi-traction rear differential. Rust free. I mean, this whole car was redone underneath. The floors look amazing. You can see the pictures on our website, or ask for additional if you'd like some. And Starlight Black is the paint, and it's straight as an arrow. That's hard to do with a black car. Bodywork's got to be right. So that's what's cool about this one. And they're going up in value like crazy. You get the right car and the right color, and everybody wants one. This one has the Hurst package added to it, so it's basically the Hurst shifter, Hurst badging, and it also has the Hurst wheels. Really cool on there with Red Line tires. So we're gonna roll up here and take some more pictures and some more video. All right, check out this beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO. Yep, it's a real one. Got 389 tri-power. It's punched out to a stroked 421 cubic inch V8. It also has power steering, power disc brakes up front, 4-speed transmission, Munci 4-speed. It's got a 355 Posi-traction differential, and as I mentioned earlier, it's got the little Hurst package added to it, which is basically a Hurst badge, Hurst shifter, these really cool Hurst wheels. Even has some Hurst mats in there, but finished in Starlight Black. Pretty straight. I mean, it's hard to make a black car look good, and this one looks really nice down the side. I don't think there's any stone chips in this car, and this paint job is pretty old. Well cared for, always inside. It's got the Parchment interior. It's kind of like a metallic white. Really nice interior. With that center console, bucket seats are all redone. It's a frame-off restored car. Looks beautiful underneath too, which you'll see pictures of. But the dash is nice, original AM radio, original GTO steering wheel. There's that Hurst 4-speed. Shifts real good, synchros are good in the trans. As I mentioned earlier, also has a Dakota digital analog gauges. So you can see them at night. Man, you can never see these gauges at night. It's so much better with that. But we have the originals if somebody wants to keep all that stock stuff. They come with the car, along with the PHS documentation. Pretty good looking car. Here's the power plant in the 66 GTO. Look at that thing, man. It's so cool looking with the 3 deuces on there. Tri-power, factory tri-power setup. This is a WS block. I don't think it's the original one for the car, but it is the right one. And there's your cowl tag there. There's your updated power disc brakes. Got a little fuel regulator there. Nice radiator. A couple chrome goodies under there. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yep. Grrr. That's what they say about GTOs, right? Grrr. Pretty cool. We'll walk around the back. It sounds nice. I mean, it's got a nice little cam in it. Not over the top, so it's still reliable. Sounds pretty cool. Yeah. It's a great sounding car. And black is beautiful. Look at this thing, man. If you want to come out and see this in person, come out and see me at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. Come on down or give me a call. I'll be happy to show you the car or answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.